What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, back for another video. And in this one, I want to put you all onto one of the OG wholesaling marketing companies for cash buyers, and that's Cash Buyer Data Feed. Started up by a company named Real Estate Wealth Network, owned by a guy named Cameron Dunlap. And I was recently watching a video from another one of the OGs out here, the Wholesalers Toolbox, when he was going into Cash Buyer Data Feed, showing the back end of the system and what it can really do. And I was even considering just reacting to his video because it was really thorough. Shout out to the Wholesalers Toolbox. But I decided to create my own video to give you all a 2021 review on the Cash Buyer Data Feed, so you know whether it's still worth it or not. And so I hope that you all are pumped for this content. Without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get into it.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, guys, so we're here at the computer now, and when you get to Cash Buyer Data Feed, this is what the landing page is going to look like. As a lot of you all know, I talk about prop stream a lot, but I'm always out there looking for the next best opportunity. Cash Buyer Data Feed looks great, so this is my first time ever using it. I've heard people talking about it for years, so let's just see what this service can actually do. So you're gonna have to enter in your email address and your zip code on this first page. Once you've gotten to the next page, it's gonna look like this. To tell you how many verified cash buyers they found in your area, kind of give you like a feel of what the data looks like and stuff like that. We're just going to go ahead and click through right here. All right, so now we're on the actual sales page. And then pretty much we're just going to click through right here. This is a video from Cameron talking about the service and whatnot.
I've been in real estate.
And then we're going to just go ahead and click get started. So it says that you're going to get access to over 350,000 new cash buyers from all across the United States, access to our members only website with scripts, tools, and documents, access to automated mail manager, plus you'll receive the cash buyer's phone number when available, which means you can start contacting possible buyers immediately. All right, so let's check out their plans that they got going on right here. They've got this quarterly, so I guess you have to pay for every 3 months. You'll have to pay, but you only get a single state. Or you could do yearly for just a little bit more, it looks like. So for $247, you can get about 5,000 downloads a year. For $247, or you could do the $146. So it kind of makes more sense to just go with the yearly option, obviously. I think I'm going to go ahead and get started with this $247 plan, and we're going to see what's going on here. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and create my account. I'll block this off, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so I had to make a call, but after I signed up for my account, it took me to this little upsell page right here, and it kind of forces you to watch this little video, and then it pops up this little button right here where you can actually add on kind of like some private lending or something like that. I think it's like a course. You'll never be able to get this course at this price again, so on and so forth. So we're just going to go ahead and click through this. I'm not going to add that one. All right, so we had a little bit of an issue trying to get logged into the account or whatever, but we got that taken care of. Shout out to Brooke over at Real Estate Wealth Network for helping me out. But like pretty much this is what the dashboard looks like for the Real Estate Wealth Network. And I'm not gonna like go through all of this stuff. We're just gonna go over here to Cash Buyer Data Feed. So I already clicked on this in another tab or whatever, and it actually had me set my default state and county. So you'll have to do that when you actually log in for the first time. So I chose my default area as Cook County, Illinois, where Chicago is. And let's just see what we can do with this here. Okay, let's see. Got a little search section. So you could choose one-time buyers or multiple transactions. We'll probably just want to go with multiple transactions. I'll probably just select private buyers, but actually they have the LLC's phone numbers as well, so definitely want to check that out. I'm gonna go with people that only people that have phone numbers. Let's see, we're gonna say Chicago specifically, but we can do all of Cook County, so that's really helpful. But let's just say Chicago, bang. Or I can do the zip code, which is really nice. Let's just say within a 20-mile radius. Yeah, let's say 35-mile radius. And search by site address or mailing address. We're going to search by site address. And then, yeah, I think we can just rock and roll with this. Let's see, 2 to 4 transactions found. Look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and search. Okay, boom. Okay. So, yeah, it's got us down to 238 buyers. Okay, so I like the way that this looks. Okay, so here's the key. So if they've got this little star right here, it says that they got 2 to 4 transactions. Or if they got the green star, then it means that they've got 5 or more transactions. So, okay, all right. Yeah, I see we got some greens up in there. All right. So that's not too bad. That's not too bad, actually. So let's see. So if I was to click on this person, let's see. What type of information do we have? Transaction details, save lead, push lead. Let's see if I saved the lead. The selected leads have been saved to your account. Okay. All right. So we got a saved lead. All right. I wonder if it'll actually show us these people's phone numbers right here on the app. I mean, on the computer. That would be really, really convenient to just be able to get it right here. Let's just go to my leads. Let's see what type of information we have. Property details. Okay. We do got some cash buyer details right here. All right, yeah. All right, that's not too bad. All right. I think we can work with this, y'all. I think we can work with this. All right, so we definitely got some contact information for these individuals right here inside of the system. All right, so man, I'm liking this so far. You know, they've got some decent data on here, and if I wanted to, I'm sure that I can export these leads from the system. Tasks. Okay, so you can add some tasks on top of here, so you can kind of use this as like a CRM type of situation. Okay, let's see what type of marketing tools they have inside of here. So we got templates, phone scripts, mailing lists, marketing history, direct mailers, labels and envelopes, and heat maps. Okay, all right, so let's check out these, the letter templates. They got some letter templates, postcard templates, available templates. Okay, all right. Let's see what we're looking at here. Let's see, notice of reach and purchase, smoking hot deal. I like the sounds of that. Hey, you got a smoking hot deal. All right, so call now, send her phone. Okay, all right. Yeah, I like these. Okay, so this is just be like a regular letter that you can send out to someone. And I'm pretty sure that you can just send these out yourself. You can even just write these out. You just copy this and then just write it out yourself and then just send it out. But I'm pretty sure that they do have direct mail marketing options inside of the system as well, which has got to be pretty cool, right? They got direct mailers right here. Okay, all right. So we got some options out here, guys. I'm liking it so far. All right, phone scripts, no data available this time. Let's see. All right, they got a little phone script. Let's see what they got. Okay, all right, I like this. So nice little phone script if you're going to hop on some phone calls, or when you hop on phone calls with these cash buyers, they've got a nice little cash buyer phone script right there inside of the system. Let's see, labels and envelopes. Okay, look at that. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so you can make your own personal labels and envelopes. Wow. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Mailing list labels, envelopes. Wow. Okay. All right. Look at that. It's definitely something to check out, guys. Definitely something. Let's see what this heat map is looking like, though. Let's see what they're talking about out in Cook County. See what this heat map is looking like. Woo! They say all of Chicago. It looks like all of Cook County is on fire, apparently. Let me see if I can scroll in some and say, okay, here we go, y'all. Okay, all right. So, yeah, it's a pretty detailed heat map, actually, where you can, like, really see, like, what pockets are hitting and what pockets aren't hitting. Okay, but I like this. Okay, this is pretty interesting. I think that we could probably get even more detailed than that, probably. Look at that. Okay, so it's really showing you. Okay, so like North Lawndale ain't really hitting like that, as y'all can see. That's kind of dry versus East Garfield Park hitting. South Lawndale kind of hitting right there. Look, Gage Park, West Elston, I don't even know what that is. But anyway, look, Berwyn is hitting over there in certain areas. Forest Park, Oak Park, Austin. Look, Austin is on fire. But either way, okay, yeah, I really, really like this though, because this could really give you a nice, good gauge of where you should begin your marketing efforts if you're going to be trying to assign these deals off to buyers. If you want to find out where you should start looking for inventory, I mean, to be honest, like this is probably a great place to get started. So far, I'm really, really liking what I'm seeing on cash buyer data feed, guys. I'm liking the system. I guess the only drawback that I can see so far is that you only can pull 5,000 leads per year from the system or whatever. So that's definitely going to be a drawback. However, being able to get contact information for LLCs alone, to me, the 247, you don't really see too many companies out there that gives you contact information for LLCs. So this is really, really golden data right here, like unicorn information that everyone's kind of out there looking for, right? Now, you can't just like upload a list inside of here and start skip tracing them and get that LLC information. But if you're looking in a particular area, particular county or zip code, then you can, look on this site, type in that zip code, that LLC is probably on the list of people who have purchased a property, and you can just hop on right there and it'll probably have their phone number. So it's really, really convenient. I like it. I like it so far, guys. I'm liking it so far. Let me know what you think about it so far down below if you're watching this video. Definitely let me know. All right, so I just found a new feature. So right here, I can select all of these leads. Right, so I can select all 238 of these leads, and then from there I can go ahead and use this little drop down menu to download them, generate mailers, save leads. I'm going to go ahead and save them. I think that this will not kind of take them from my system. Right. So I think like it's downloading those leads. Like, so if you want to export them from the system, you have the ability to export 5,000 per year. But if you just want to save them into your account, I don't think that that actually affects your total downloads for the year, which is really nice. Okay, so let me just check that out though. Let's just verify that. And like once you go over here to your My Leads section, you'll be able to see all the leads that you have saved inside of here. So I've got LLCs, I've got individuals. It tells me the purchase price, the transaction date, and things of that nature. I really, really like the way that this looks. And then you could print the details. I wonder, so if I was just to try to do one of these, what would that look like trying to print these details? All right, that's not too bad. And then I could just save it as a PDF like this. Let's see how this will work. Hey, let's go.
Let's go.
I don't think that this would be considered downloading it though. I'm not sure. That's so I'm gonna go into my account section and try to see if it shows me that I've downloaded any leads so far. All right, so it looks like it hasn't, taken off any properties off my account, even though I just went to save that one person, had their contact information and properties that they've purchased. I really, really like that. This looks so far so good, guys. Like you can use this system to actually be able to contact these cash buyers. Yeah, I mean, like I guess it can get a little bit complicated if you wanted to be able to download the entire list of cash buyers so you can put them into, let's say, like an REI reply and start texting those people, letting them know like, hey, new deal alert, 123 Main Street is available. However, they do have options inside of cash buyer data feed to where you can still contact those people. You can always just pick up your phone and start calling. You can also send them some direct mail using cash buyer data feed. Or, it really depends on how you want to run your business. You can go ahead and just pull those, like, let's say 238 leads, and don't feel bad that you pulled them because you know that you're going to be getting in contact with those people either way you plan on establishing a relationship. In all reality, it doesn't necessarily take a cash buyer's list of 5,000 people to get out here and get consistent deals. But if you're doing virtual markets and things like that, that may be a great way to just start getting in contact with some people. Manually do it if necessary. Have your VA like put this cash buyer's information inside of a spreadsheet for you, so then you can go ahead and upload it into like an REI reply or a call to us like that. So it's a lot of different ways that you all can get out here and get this data from cash buyer data feed, and you'll have access for an entire year if you sign up on that 247 plan like I got. So you may want to look into it, guys. So far, I'm really liking the system. I'm gonna wrap this review up. This is kind of just like my initial thoughts on the service. So So far, I'm really liking what I can do inside of here. You know, they've got the phone script, they've got, you know, the ability to send out direct mail. I think, um, yeah, they've got the heat map on there as well, and the ability to write out like your own labels and your envelopes or whatever. I really like that customizability. I'm gonna be honest, like the actual site itself, you know, it's not like ultra beautiful or anything like that, but it doesn't need to be like really crazy for it to get the job done. As you can see, it seems pretty legit. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I mean, I like the video that I saw from the Wholesalers Toolbox. It looked pretty decent. I'm finally getting inside of here myself. People have been telling me about Cash Buyer Data Feed literally for years and years, guys, but I've never checked it out. So far, I'm satisfied. Is it worth it? Like, you know, it's 5,000 downloads, right? So, you know, I would say that's probably a drawback. However, I mean, like, the data is legit. Like, just being able to not skip trace, but just being able to get phone numbers for LLCs, that alone to me is going to make it worth the $247 per year. Like, so I feel like for a lot of you all out there watching this video, it's probably actually worth it if you want to actually contact LLC owners in your city, in your county, in your area. If you're virtually wholesaling, then you probably want to go ahead and get the $247. If you're just locally wholesaling, the $147 for every 3 months is probably a decent. I mean, but then again, you could just pay $250 for the whole year and get more downloads. You'll probably do yourself a favor. Look, treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Check out the link down below, man. Go ahead and check out Cash Buyer Data Feed if that sounds like something that you're interested in. I hope that this video helps you. Let me know if you all found value in this video. I really hope that you did. If so, hit the like button for me. Drop me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new around here and this is your first video you checking out on my channel. Trust me, like, I drop all types of content just like this one, breaking down systems, services, helping you all understand how to get out here and get rocking and rolling in the wholesale game right away. Also, guys, look, if you're watching this, shoot me a text if you have any questions to 708-578-6177. Make sure that you lock me in once you shoot me a text. I'll respond back to you. We can have a conversation via text. I'm out here trying to help as many of you guys as possible. So I hope that you guys are staying healthy, staying blessed. And as always, guys, until next time,